Finally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will provide us with some incredible performance numbers. According to ICE Universe, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has strong performance but is more power efficient than the previous generation, making it a perfect processor, and even he claims no other SoC can match the level of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but there is something more to it. S24 Ultra will include an overclocked version of a regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 clocked at 3.3 GHz, as well as other performance numbers. Another Twitter source claims that if the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is placed in a refrigerator, it can equal the multi-core score of the S17 Pro utilized in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That is, with a TSMC 4nm technology, it has the ability to equal the level of a recently announced 3nm processor. The numbers are even more promising. The maximum clock speed is 3.3 GHz, and GPU performance is enhanced more than CPU performance. According to research, there is a 35% boost in GPU performance, which is a significant gain. This might be one of the reasons why Samsung did not use the Exynos 2400 in the S24 Ultra and instead released a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 version. The battery life will be an intriguing aspect given the performance numbers. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will last longer than the S23 Ultra thanks to its more power-efficient processor. But here's the thing, the S24 Ultra will have the same 5000 mAh battery and a 45-watt quick charger, but number 65-watt charger. Because the S23 Ultra is already your greatest Android phone in terms of battery life, the battery life will be incredible. The new stunning color possibilities for the S24 Ultra are now available, and we now witness the return of a yellow hue. There will be 4 color options: black, gray, walnut, and yellow, as well as 3 more colors for internet users: orange, light blue, and light green. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be released sooner than predicted. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.